Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show that how to share a Facebook post, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if this video has helped you, so then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then search for that specific post which you want to show. Like let's choose any random post. Okay, let's put it's that one. Here you can just simply see a show option. Let me show it to you clearly, like this one. Just simply tap at this show. From here, first of all, you have the option to show it into your Facebook feed. Like from here, you can select on your page, on a group, on feed, or to your friends' timeline, whatever you want to select. And you can also select visibility. Just simply select and tap at done. From here, you can also just simply write some of the words which will be visible on the very top of this post. And once you're done with this, just simply tap at share now, and you can also have the option to show it onto your messenger, or like simply tap on it, and here search for the person, or like tap at send, like that. All right, that's how you can easily send to your like messenger. And you can also have the ability to send it to WhatsApp or share to a specific group on Facebook, or you have the ability to like copy the link and now whatever or wherever you want to show that specific link on any Instagram, like whatever where you want. So I always helps you guys, and if you like think this video have helped you, so then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.